Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try hearts. You'll need colors. Trace the heart to make a Valentine. Decorate the Valentine. Aww! Let's use a red marker to trace the heart. Now we're going to decorate it like a Valentine. I'm going to write, I love you on my Valentine, and then I'm going to color it red with a red colored pencil. What decorations would you add to your heart Valentine? Maybe you could add things like flowers or like a sunshine or something that you love. All done.